Hey everybody, Stu Weinstock here from beautiful Miami, Florida. Today we're going to talk about a subject that will be very helpful with your ketogenic lifestyle and diet. I'm a keto coach and school psychologist, and I'm here to help motivate you, inspire you, guide you, and encourage you on your keto journey for great successes. Today we're going to talk about the topic of radical acceptance, practicing radical acceptance, focusing on what you can control. For example, in terms of radical acceptance, I have to accept that I am a 65-year-old dude and a man, and that's the way I'm going to live out the rest of my life. But I have to radically accept that because it's something I can't change. Aha! But if I say to myself, wow, I wish I could have more friends, well, I can go to clubs and organizations and recreational activities. Yeah, I can create more friends in my life. That's something I can change. But I cannot change that I'm a 65-year-old dude. And that's radical acceptance. Let's talk about that more as it relates to keto. You know, the ketogenic lifestyle, everybody, is more than just a diet. It's a journey of transformation, physically, mentally, and emotionally. Whether you're well on your way or just considering the transition, you're probably encountered some challenges along the way. These challenges can sometimes feel overwhelming, leading to frustration or self-doubt. That's where the concept of radical acceptance becomes invaluable. Now, let's discuss specifically what is radical acceptance. Radical acceptance is a mindfulness practice that teaches you to accept situations that are beyond your control. Instead of resisting or fighting reality, which often leads to stress and frustration, you embrace what is and shift your focus to what you can change. It's not about giving up or giving in, but about freeing yourself from the mental struggle against things you cannot alter. This approach can help tremendously when facing challenges in your ketogenic journey and lifestyle. Now, let's talk about embracing the journey, not just the results. Many people who begin the ketogenic lifestyle are excited by the potential for weight loss, better mental clarity and acuity, or improved energy levels. While these results are indeed achievable, the journey is not always a straight line. Some may experience plateaus at times, food cravings, or social pressures to eat non-keto foods. Rather than getting stuck in frustration when the scale doesn't move or when cravings hit, practice radical acceptance. Accept that plateaus are a normal part of the weight loss process, and indeed they are. Accept that cravings do happen from time to time. Accept that there will be moments when friends or family or acquaintances don't understand your choices, and indeed that can happen at times. Once you've accepted these realities, you can refocus your energy on what you can control, your actions and your mindset. Instead of stressing over a plateau, you can control how you respond. Maybe it's time to tweak your macro ratios, try new recipes, or focus more on fitness and activity in your life. When cravings arise, practice mindful eating or keep keto-friendly snacks on hand to tide you over. Now, let's speak about controlling your attitude and effort. The beauty of radical acceptance is that it puts the power back in your hands, in essence. You can't control every outcome, but you can control how you show up every day. The principle applies to every aspect of life, including your keto lifestyle. You can control your choices, whether they're sticking to keto-friendly foods, staying consistent with your meal planning, or finding time for exercise. You can control your attitude by focusing on the positive changes you've made rather than the struggles. Every small step forward is indeed progress, and every mistake is an opportunity to learn, not a reason to give up. Now, let's talk about how acceptance reduces stress. Trying to control the uncontrollable is exhausting, simply put. Constantly fighting cravings, obsessing over the scale, or worrying about social events can lead to burnout. Radical acceptance, however, reduces this stress. It allows you to release the burden of needing to control everything and instead focuses on what matters most, your well-being and your choices. By accepting things as they are and shifting your focus on things that you can control, you'll find that the keto journey becomes more manageable and less stressful. You'll be able to navigate challenges and with a clearer mind and a calmer heart. So you will be able to navigate challenges much, much better. And my final thoughts: practicing radical acceptance doesn't mean you stop striving for your goals. It means you learn to focus on your energy, on what you can control, while letting go of what you can't. This mindset shift can make all the difference in your ketogenic journey, helping you stay committed, reducing stress, and enjoying the process. So embrace the journey, accept the bumps in the road, and keep moving forward, one keto meal at a time. And there you are. I hope you found this discussion helpful. Please give me any comments or questions you have below this video. I would be truly honored if you chose to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And thank you so much for doing that. This has been Stu Weinstock from beautiful Miami, Florida. And we'll talk again with you all tomorrow. Take good care now. Bye-bye.